Dear learners, welcome to the home of English for English grammar and vocabulary learning. Watch the previous lessons in the playlist. Subscribe and press the bell button to get the notification of every lesson. Let's start. English grammar. Tenses. In the previous lesson, an introduction to English grammar, we discussed about different concepts of English grammar. Now, let us learn the first lesson in our English grammar session, that is the tenses. It includes present tense, past tense and future tense. Here, let's learn these three tenses and their different categories. Tenses. A tense indicates time and state of an action or event. How does a tense show time of an action? She learns English. It shows present time. She learned English. That shows past time. Here, the past tense of learn is used in two different spellings. Both can be used as past tense of learn. She will learn English. It shows future time. This is how a tense shows time of an action. How does a tense show state of an action? Example, I do yoga regularly. It shows a habitual action. I am doing yoga, a progressive action. I have just done yoga. It shows a preceding action. Now, we will be using V1, V2, V3 and V4 for different forms of verb as follows. V1 for present form. Example, let us take the verb go. In V1 form, we can use it as go or goes. V2 form, that is past form. Past form of go is went. V3 form, past participle. Past participle or V3 form of go is gone. V4 or ing form. V4 form of go is going. Now, let me demonstrate a table to explain you different tenses with structures and examples. Please be attentive. So be clear about V1, V2 and V3 and V4 forms. See, we are learning about all the three tenses, that is present, past and future. It has four subcategories again. The first one is simple present, simple past, simple future. It is also called present indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite. The structures are subject plus V1, subject plus V2, subject plus shall or will plus V1. Then comes second present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Please be attentive. This is using this table we can learn it very easily. Don't get confused. Clear it here only. Then comes present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. Fourth one, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous. So now I will tell each and every one with its structure and simple examples. See, first one, simple present or present indefinite. Its structure is subject plus V1. See the example. Ravi goes to school. Here, Ravi is the subject. Goes is the V1 form of go. Second example. I go to gym daily. Here, I is the subject. Go, the V1 form of go. Next one, simple past or past indefinite. The structure is subject plus V2. See the example. Ravi went to school. Here, Ravi is the subject and went is the V2 form of go. I went to gym. I is the subject. Went is the V2 form of go. Here we can see that the V2 form or the past form of verb is used only in simple past. Rest everywhere, here V1 is used. All continuous tenses, that is present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. All these are using V4 forms. Only in simple past we are using V2 form, that is past form of the verb that we saw here. Next, future, simple future or future indefinite. Structure is subject plus shall or will plus V1. Example, Ravi will go to school. Here Ravi is the subject plus will plus V1 form of go. I shall go to gym. I is the subject, shall plus go. Coming to the next row, present continuous. Present continuous, as I told you, in all continuous we will be using V4 form, that is ing form of the verb. Here the structure is subject plus is, am or are plus V4. See the example. Ravi is going to school. Ravi is a subject, is plus V4 form of go, that is going. Next one, I am going to gym. I plus am plus V4 form of go, going. We are going to market. We is a subject plus are plus V4 form of go, that is going. Next one, past continuous. Here also subject plus was or were plus V4. Example, Ravi was going to school. Ravi is a subject plus was plus V4 form of go. We were doing the job. We is a subject plus were plus V4 form of do, that is doing. Future continuous. Here structure is subject plus shall or will plus be plus V4. Example, Ravi will be going to school. Ravi is a subject plus will plus be plus V4 form of go, that is going. We will be doing the job. We plus will plus be plus V4 of doing. Here we can see shall or will. Normally shall is used with first person singular, I or we, and will is used second and third persons. Second person is you and third persons are he, she, they. Let's go to the next page. So here we can see present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. Present perfect. The structure is subject plus has plus or have plus V3. See the example. Ravi has gone to school. Ravi is the subject plus has plus V3 form of go, that is past participle form, gone. We have done the job. We plus have plus done. Third one, past perfect, subject plus had plus V3. See the example. Ravi had gone to school. Second one, we had done the job. We plus had plus done. Third one, future perfect. Here also subject plus shall plus or will plus have plus V3 form. Example, Ravi will have gone to school. Ravi subject plus will plus have plus V3 form of go, that is gone. We shall have done the job. We is the subject plus shall plus have plus V3 form of do, that is done. Last one, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous. See the present perfect continuous. The structure is subject plus has or have plus been plus V4. See the example. Ravi has been working. Here Ravi is the subject plus has plus been plus V4 form of work, that is working. We have been doing. We plus have plus been plus V4 of do, that is doing. 4. Past perfect continuous. See the structure. Subject plus had plus been plus V4. Example, Ravi had been working. Ravi plus had plus been plus V4 of work, that is working. Second one, we had been doing the job. We is the subject plus had plus been plus doing the job. Future perfect continuous. Here the structure is subject plus shall or will plus have plus been plus V4. See the example. Ravi will have been working. Ravi plus will plus have plus been, then V4 of work, that is working. We shall have been doing the job. We plus shall plus have plus been plus V4 of do, that is doing. So these are the different kinds of or categories of tenses and their structures, and we saw some examples. You may revise this once or twice, then you will get idea. If you want to take notes, you may take screenshot and note it down. If you like the video or the lesson, you may like, subscribe and share. It will be encouraging me to upload more such videos. So see you in the next lesson. Thank you.